Beautiful Sunday morning. Do a little work inside and putts are on here today. Have a coffee and get at it.
Enough tops there, we're going to put slats.
What's up, Lucy? You got some squirrels there? Go get them squirrels.
We have enough sheets there to do this wall.
Alright. We got officially 2 walls just about done. You got a lot of work to do.
That's the fun of it.
Yeah. You don't want to run out of work.
Once the walls are done and everything's done in, it'll be character stuff.
Yep.
Cut it a couple times, and then we had to put a piece in the corner there to, because it was too far out.
Oh.
We had to put there was nothing in there. First it went in, it actually went in too deep, and it wouldn't line up with the other sheet here, right?
Oh.
So we have to put a little piece of board in there, so it had to stop.
Oh, they're doing it.
I could just see the mice running across the beam, scaling down on a little ladder or a little string, hanging over top of it, very gently licking the peanut butter. Eh? And then that Mission Impossible music happening while they're doing it.
She's not moving at all now.
Not much.
Well, 3/4 inch sheath.
Yeah, well, and tin on the outside.
It's going to take a tank to move it.
And whatnot.
Yeah, well, we'll bring it up. We'll bring it up close to that. We'll just notch this out.
Yeah.
And I'll cut that foam off.
Give me that tape measure for a second. 20.5. But this one, that's all we got is this. This is the widest one we got.
See, this will be another 16.5 one probably. Yeah, see, they're all close.
Yeah, they're close. This one's a little bigger than 16.5.
You want me to start taking pictures of what?
Where are they?
We've run out of space on the hard drive.
No, but it's very rare that you do. That, you know, it's just, I'm not gonna put it on YouTube or anything.
I am.
I'm learning. I'm you know, it's taking me, I've been driving truck for 40 years and very few carpentry jobs in between. One every 5 or 6 years, right? No, we can fix it.
Oh, no.
Not at the end of the world.
There, that looks good.
It's like fly paper for mice.
Yep. Okay. You're only going 20.5 from this factory edge.
Yeah. Should go get
2 out of it. See if you can get 2. 48. Yeah, you should. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the one I cut. Yeah. This.
Punch cut, so what I would do with this, I would jigsaw this out.
Oh no, that's too easy.
Cool.
Bit about this.
That's both of us together.
Well, we're gonna be trimming.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, you're not gonna fall back.
Hey, Jelly Beans. How you doing?
I like the decorations on the cabin. Is that made out of sandpaper?
These ones?
Yeah. We'll use those.
Yep.